What's up, everybody? So we are in the back in the garage today. We got big project, right?
Oh
We got some
baby.
every day. We got some exciting stuff going on. So we are excited to show you what we're gonna do today. So these are my teammate's car, right? It doesn't look too bad. As you can see, the door was big smashed, so he got new door. But the secret is under this over fender over here. What do you think, this from
Oh
here?
man,
Yeah,
can it even open?
I don't know.
I don't think so.
Okay.
Oh, got a zip tie.
Okay. Oh, okay. So it doesn't even latch right now, probably.
Nope, it doesn't even latch. He has a zip tie on.
And then obviously, I mean, you can't tell too much, but like now, this front wheel, the back wheel is like cricket like this, right? So he got smashed pretty hard. If you look at it here, it's pretty bad. So we
Oh
So
yeah, boy.
this is what we're working with. So yeah.
Oh man.
Let's get through this thing. We got new tools we can show you today too. Oh, Yuki Hiro Garage, we got new tools over here. What's up with that?
This is an L, I believe so.
Yeah, so we are gonna unbox this. We're gonna see. This is like a frame machine. So let's do it. Unbox it for us, ready?
All right, let's see what we got, boys.
Boys, me and Zeus just box everything. This is what we got. So we got a lot of stuff, and then we are now putting this together so we can make it a tools, right?
Yes, sir.
Alright, we put it together. Looks great, looks like a tools. We just removed the over fender over here. So now we know what we are working against. And if you look at it, I wish he had the old door, but it's out. That's the door that how it's supposed to mount. And they crumpled that much. That's what we're working against right now. So what do you think? We can make that happen, my
Oh
friend?
yeah. You can pull anything with that thing.
Let's do it. Let's see that.
Fucking baby
Let's
portable
get
frame
it.
machine.
Hey guys, so as you can see, we just used the existing hole before we start making hole and cutting and stuff like that. And we use just put that hook and just pull, and then look like it's gonna do the tricks, huh?
Yeah, nice.
So yeah. So now what's the plan over here? So we got a welding machine
yeah, we
going.
got the welder. We got some scrap metal.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna cut some plates, and we're gonna weld them along the big points right here where it's really caved in. And then we're gonna use a clamp that I brought, and we're gonna use the hook. And we're gonna start pulling it out and start popping it out in the right spots to get the thing to come out complete.
Yeah. Just so you know, we are pretty in on this one, but with Zeus, my boy over here, that's like a breakfast right there. Before the breakfast right here, it's easy to
It's a
snack, man. Let's do it.
snack.
Alright, now we are done with grinding. So we're gonna make a little metal piece out of the fender. Shout out to whoever dented that, right? We got it for free. So we're gonna cut that thing up now, and then we're gonna weld it into here. and we're gonna start pulling. So my boy is setting up the welding machine. Just need a little tack, little bit basically. So
Yeah.
nothing crazy. You don't need the nice tools, but since I have it, we're just gonna use it. So we just tack weld it just like that. We're gonna make a few more over here. We're gonna do the same thing, and then we're gonna start putting it. Yeah, my boy. So we're gonna tighten the clamp, and then we finally be able to pull this thing and see how much it moves. So we're gonna set up the stuff right now, and then as you can hear, it's very loud. So people saying I put blanket on it, and as he did it, you have to step on it, so it's stuck down to the floor. And then do that on the other one. Tuck it down, so it's on the ground. Alright, time to pull this thing out. right, that's it for the pool. How we looking, my buddy?
Oh man, I fucking love this thing, bro.
Right? So,
That's just
10,
nice.
so 10 out of 10. What are you giving out of 10 on these tools right here?
Bro, for like a portable frame machine, make
That-
it happen on the fly, man. This is 10 out of 10, bro.
Yeah, you take what? No space, right?
No space.
Like you can take the pin off over there and the whole panel, like you can put on the wheel, you roll it, wherever.
On the corner, won't get in nobody's way. You know, obviously you ain't pulling no chassis, but
Well, maybe one day we can, like
maybe
you know.
one day we'll make it happen.
Well, hopefully that time doesn't come, but since we already have it,
Might
right?
as well, right?
But no for nothing. That door, that was. What do you think? That was pretty hard to hit.
that shit was capable.
Yeah, and then not only that, you know, the way it's missing the quarter panel, that's actually hard for us because you know
Yeah.
when we pull like that, you know, the spot is lost. So, but other than that, the tool is pretty good. They are.
10 out of 10.
So,
Works good.
so the car came in, right? Did the door close? No, even close.
Door did not close. It was held on by a zip tie.
Yeah, right? Yeah. Open that thing up. Like nothing happened. Like shot. Like you know. Like literally on the money.
Look at that, baby.
And then now, let's put the over fender real quick to just see like what we're talking about. Yeah. All right, we'll be right back. We got the over fender on, dude. Like, look at it. So obviously this over fender is broken too.
Yeah.
So look at the way it's lined up, though.
Yeah.
Like literally on the
It's
money.
like right there.
So you can see the guy's alignment is so off. It's like this. You know the back wheel is still in. That's how much hard hit that was. And then, yeah.
Bro,
That's
that
good.
That was a big hit. Like, honestly, I'm gonna be honest. I was like, we might make it happen, we might not. I was like a 60-40, but
60-40 to tie into 100-100, baby.
Yeah, baby.
That's what we do in our garage.
let's do it.
So yeah, so today we just wanted to review these tools. You know, as you guys saw, we unpacked it, we just used it, and made that thing happen. That's my friend over there, my teammate. He's gonna be super happy with that. Usually you have to take it to frame shop,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, that was
And-
a free machine.
And then that's frame machine, and then not only that, we turned the thing around in one day, dude. Like,
Not even one day.
Not even one day,
A
like
couple hours.
right,
And
right.
It was fun.
yeah, it was. Really, I was having fun too. Get to use my welder, you know what I'm saying? Lasted off a little,
Got to break out some toys.
right?
You know.
All right.
Alright, boys. So, if you enjoyed the content of reviewing some tools, popping out some stuff, you know, like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what you like. That way we read it and we try to give you the content that you guys want to see. Feel me? We had fun with this one. This is cool. We're definitely gonna keep using this on other stuff. And
Hopefully not often because I don't want to do it,
Hopefully
you know.
not often,
Because when that happens, that's a bad news,
I
right?
don't want to be trash.
Right?
Definitely.
Yeah, if you guys see our content on driving, like this is my teammate's car, we drive really hard and stuff like this. Unfortunately, it happens all the time.
Especially when you're stacked.
Right, you saw like that was your first day, and we are like door to door. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, that was
like
that was a symphony. It was harmonic. Like these guys were like bumper to bumper, just woo, woo.
right. And
It was
then we were on
great.
like a back, like you usually went on like a 6-car back like that. It's hard on like in the
Yeah.
back. Like faster car is like more and the front side is a lot easier compared to the back.
I'll tell you what though, every man needs to experience going sideways at 120 miles an hour. man. That shit was
120.
awesome.
We didn't do that yet.
I
That-
felt like we were going that fast, bro. I felt it was like better than a roller coaster. I'm not gonna lie.
Alright, so if you guys like our content, like my boy said, subscribe, share, and comment, and I'll see you guys on next video. Thank you for watching.
Let's go.